Hey, what's up YouTube? Figured I'd do a bit of a toolbox tour. There's all sockets and that up there. Quarter drive snap-on, shallow and deep. 3/8 snap-on, shallow and deep. A few random stubbies. There's no name on it. Came out of like a belt kit or something like that. 3/8 drive, shallow impact sockets, 1/2 inch shallow impact, 3/8 deep impact, 1/2 inch deep impact, wrenches and everything up there. Needs more room now. Into the top drawer. 1/2 inch swivels, snap-on, 3/8 swivel, snap-on, 3/8 gun, 3/8 battery gun. That thing's deadly. There's supposed to be a grease gun there. One of the boys borrowing it. Battery ratchets. If I was to buy one of the two, I'd buy this one again. Warranty stuff. Fucking tip of the pick fucking snapped off. Hammers and pry bars and punches. The snap-on punch set. Impact driver, which I only recently found out the little top comes off it. So the 8mm Allen bolts, if you pops that top piece off, you get a 1/2 inch too. Hammers, 3-pound. I'd like to get the smaller set of those anti-vibe ones too, they're nice. 32, 40, 48. Indexing pry bars. Torx bits, Allens. Suction gun. Couple of Mastercraft torque wrenches. This one's fucking useless. Only goes up to like 250 inch-pounds or something. Doesn't get used very often, but every now and again. This is a ratchet drawer. FLL80. FL80. I don't even know the part number on him. SH80A. Gear wrench 120. I like this ratchet too. This one's nice. Head's a little bit big on him, but extensions. 3/8 gear wrench, quarter drive gear wrench, 3/8 swivel snap-on, quarter drive snap-on, some 3/8 impact ones. I don't even know what they are, Pro Point or something, and Princess Auto. And a couple of 1/2 inch extensions. This is an old Johnson bar one of the older fellas gave me. It's an old snap-on. Focus, you fuck. Maybe not. There we go. Snap-on. I don't know, got the little G mark on it, so fairly old. That's no old proto. This is just random junk drawer, pens and zip ties, CD for checking radios, a knife, some Tylenol, a bunch of cases. This caliper pushback tool, thread restoration kit, digital caliper. This is just some more Allen bits and stuff. Those will eventually end up on a socket tray thing. Axle nut sockets, torque sticks, extractors, stud extractors, metric and fractional. Another set of extractors, another set of extractors, another set of extractors. Here in Newfoundland we get a lot of rusty stuff, and a lot of stuff breaks off, so those are pickle forks. Punch set, Mac punch set. That's gear wrench sockets, sensor sockets. There's a spring compressor, off car or on car, and spark plug sockets. Getting all the pliers, Mac pliers. They're not great, but they're not bad for the price of them. think it was only $150 or so for all of those, and some thumb wrenches too. Vice grips. These things are fucking awesome. It uses them to extract studs and stuff and exhausts if you gotta cut them off. It's really nice. You don't have to keep clamping onto them like a set of vice grips. Those hose pick ones are pretty nice too. Screwdrivers, mainly used for interior work, because I got fucking bit driver and that, and a few other random ones that use for dirty stuff, fluid and that. O-ring removers, nice for hoses and stuff too. You can kind of stick them in there without worrying about breaking them up, poking holes in them. Plastic set of picks, nice for interior work, without scratching stuff up. There's just a cheap set of Princess Auto trim tools. Those are a set of Amazon ones. Another bunch of random stuff. So those are thumb wrenches that came with those pliers. A little cheater bar, some clamps, holding hoses and stuff out of the way. There's some tree bits, 1/8" carbide burrs, puller set, cheap one, Princess Auto, 1/8 drive, screwdriver, bit set, fuel trim things, more extractors, as you can see. Again, uses extractors a lot. Tap holders. That's a brake tool kit, or brake tool. There's another fuel tool. Nothing in this one. This is the last drawer, electrical drawer. Random nonsense. TGVs I'm going to delete for the Subaru. Chargers, DeWalt charger. Lots of junko wire strippers. These ones aren't too bad. You kind of got to hold on to the one end so that the wire doesn't keep sliding through. Temperature gun. Couple of lights. That one's nice. Only lasts like an hour or so on high, but it's really bright. 700 lumens or so. Brake lines for the Subaru. Power probe. And there's the extra wire piercers and a few extra wire extensions and stuff. Back probe kit, some random heat shrink in that, electrical tape, snap-on bills, other nonsense. That's pretty much it. There's random nuts and bolts and shit. Just the junk. Anyways, if there are anything else you want to see in a little bit more in depth, let me know.